In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to change search engine visibility in WordPress. Changing the search engine visibility settings in WordPress determines whether your site is indexed by search engines like Google. For this functionality, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. On the left, go to Settings and click on Reading Settings. Scroll down to the section labeled Search Engine Visibility. You'll see a checkbox labeled Discourage search engines from indexing this site. To hide your site from search engines, check the box. This adds a no-index meta tag to your site's pages, signaling search engines not to index them. To allow search engines to index your site, ensure that the box is unchecked. When you check the box to discourage indexing, it sends a request to search engines, but it's not a guarantee. Search engines may still index your site, especially if there are backlinks pointing to it. So this is how easy it is to change search engine visibility in WordPress. Before leaving, you can also learn how to change page titles in WordPress when using Elementor. I'll link the video in the description below, or you can click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.